bitch. Don't be the bitch.
Fucking yeah.
He's scared.
Well, it's good because if you fall, you ain't passing.
That shit was close as fuck. That shit was right at your fucking leg.
So that's what I'm saying.
All right, now we just waiting for everybody else to get here and we want to start riding.
They right around the corner too.
So, all right, they around the corner?
Yeah, he just sent me I just called him and he recorded the fucking billboard.
Oh, all right.
Gavin, wake the hell up. No, I'm fucking over it.
Trying to grab one of those. All right, we're gonna start it from here. Back on. Peace out. Starting her up.
Now it's you, bitch.
No, it's you, man.
Now you go.
It's you.
Sorry, man. We learning. I'm learning.
Oh, we learning.
We're learning.
All right, give me that camera real quick. All right, look. It's boom.
I'm getting an automatic one. Fuck that shit.
No, we good, I'm willing.
Up next.
So I'll hold this, right? Try it
I'm
again.
The only way you gonna get better at it is to keep doing it.
Yeah, facts.
You gotta keep doing it.
Let me see.
Only way.
I did good, right?
Yeah, you did good. When I first learned how to ride, bro, I was busting my ass every time. On a little 80. Tell you watch, 3 days. 3 days he'll be in the pack. Get a bike. 3 days.
My boy weak.
Next.
My boy weak. He weak. He weak.
You gotta keep that, Put on the back brake.
Oh, it started to rain.
Yeah, a little bit. Damn. Sorry. Cops don't chase us out here. I'm trying to tell you. I've seen so many cops when I'm out on my bike. I've never been chased by a cop. That's gonna be the thumbnail.
That shit was close as fuck. That shit was right at your fucking leg.
That's how I be right in the street, going through cars and shit.
Shit.
Won't see me like that anytime soon.
Chilling out in the street.
Yeah, right here.
It's all the way down, right?
It's all the way down.
I mean, you can also check it.
Yeah, you go and roll it back and forth.
Roll
If it moves, yeah, it's a neutral. Alright, so I'm guessing that's it for this video.
Yeah, that we lit.
We lit. If you like the video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my socials in the link description. Oh shit, hold on, remix. That's it for the video. If you like the video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. I got a whole bunch more dirt bike content coming. All my socials are in the link description box down below. Was it too high? My arm long as shit.
Yeah. Shit.
Nah, I'm gonna keep that in there. That was funny as shit. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. I got a whole lot of new dirt bike content, YouTube videos. I got music coming. I got a whole lot of new music coming. My shit is.
Yeah, he got.
Shit, we outside.
We outside all summer.
outside, nigga. What you talking about?
Talking about we outside all summer on the bikes. All right, we lit. I'm about to cut this joint straight.